Welcome to a demonstration of SciCards, a third-party tool for interacting with OCCAM. We are going to start from scratch with a new OCCAM instance that only has a plotting script installed. First, let's create a work set to hold all of our objects. Now we'll make an initial volume to hold our input files. This volume is the backing store that allows users to drag and drop arbitrary files from their desktop directly into an experiment from the SciCard server. Finally, we need an experiment to put everything together. We will use our plotting script in this experiment. This script takes a file called output.json and creates a plottable JSON output. And now we have to add our volume we created earlier. We need to change the JSON options to tell the script how to read the JSON file we're using. We need to set the X data, the Y data, and the legend. Then update the experiment. Now let's double check our work. The settings match the layout of our expected file format. So now we'll just export the experiment to the SciCard server. This next half of the demo shows how an average user will interact with the experiment that we've created. We're given a chance to name our widget here or replace an old widget, so let's create a new one. To run this blank experiment, we need to drag our file into the widget and hit run. This sends all the files to OCCAM and creates a newer version of the experiment. When the experiment finishes running, we will have a chance to save our new results as a unique widget. Note that everything is happening in the background, and all the user needs to do is grab a cup of coffee while a new experiment is set up, files are uploaded, and the graph is created for the user. Let's skip the waiting part. We now have a new widget that will hold the results of our experiment. Here are our results. Since it's so easy to change our experiment by drag and drop, let's level out these results a little bit. We'll just edit the file. Let's change this to 2000. We'll save, and then switch back to the input screen. Now we'll just drag in the new copy, and once again the experiment is churning away. This could work with any kind of file and is very easy to use compared to the current experiment modification method. Let's overwrite our experiment from last time. Here's our first result. And here's our new change. This showcases how the SciCards can be used to flip through results, making it easier to browse your outputs in OCCAM. In the future, we hope to expand this functionality to make OCCAM even easier to use. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. You can check out occam.cs.pit.edu for more details on the project.